Hello traders, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. In this video I'm going to discuss pound US dollar and all of the pound pairs that you can see on the screen: pound dollar, pound Swiss franc, pound yen, pound Aussie dollar, pound CAD and UK 100. So first of all I will discuss UK 100 in this video, and as you can see we have got a very nice bullish rally all the way from March 2020, and even we have got a very nice break above the structure, but the structure wasn't broken, and soon after that the market re-entered into the zone once again. Moving on to the weekly time frame, right here if you can see I have to find an impulsive wave. There is an active impulsive wave with me right here that is obviously pointing to the top side of the market, but right here, since market is very close to its resistance zone, I think there will be some good opportunities to the downside of the market. How that will be, let me show you that on the daily time frame. And on the daily time frame, if you can see we have a very nice trend running all the way from right here. Let me activate my pen tool, and right here the trend started from 67.70, somewhere closer to this zone, all the way towards 8041.43, and after that we have got a 61.8% retracement of this impulsive wave. After that we have got another 61.8% retracement of this impulsive wave. So currently this B, C and C to D is present in the market. Let me do that precisely with the trend line so that I can find the price level to which it is pointing down at the moment. Right here if you see, this is an ABCD pattern completion, and the pattern will exactly be completed near 7085.74 at the moment. If we see this particular bounce off from this level right here, if you can see very clearly right here, and still this bounce of paid very nice profits to the bulls. But right here if we say, and if we see and observe this level, we have another 61.8% retracement from up there, which definitely is pointing towards the bottom side of the market. If I complete, this will look something like this. So even this wave is also pointing down towards right here, and 69.96, 7085 I'm going to look for some buy and fresh bullish opportunities. On the H4, if you want to trade it in the upcoming week, definitely this is going to be a very nice zone. It is clearly showing us a bullish sign, and I have to find a breakout point in order to trade it. Right here 61.8% retracement of this impulsive wave. This is A, this is B, this is C, and C to the D will be somewhere right here. So any market, if it closes below this and a retest and the continuation down, if it go back up and if it closes above this, then this will be the situation and I will be looking to the top. But remember, I'm more biased towards sell opportunities on the UK 100. Move on to the pound US dollar right here, and on the pound US dollar if we see, there is a very nice impulsive wave with us on the weekly time frame, and now I can for sure say that this market is coming back down towards 61.8% retracement of the weekly right here, which comes at 1.14118, and definitely in one day it will not be coming back down, because all the way it took from 30th October 2022 till 9th or 10th of July 2023, a very good number of weeks right here. So definitely this will not be a blind sell for long term. Definitely a sell from here. This is the take profit and this is the stop loss, and just leave it till March and it will be giving you nice profits if you are an investor. But since I have to do and run the analysis on the weekly time frame, and for the weekly traders, definitely this whole trend right here if we see is clearly bouncing off from each and every level. It gives a correction and bounce off, correction and bounce off, correction and bounce off. But right here, if this trend line is broken to the bottom side, I will be looking for fresh sell opportunities, and all the buy positions I have, either I will close them or I will hedge them. Let's suppose if the market takes some fresh support from this area, of 1.2213, somewhere closer to this zone. Then right here some bullish opportunities can be taken if you want to leave your hedge position. Still that will be more than enough. And for now, if I look at the lower time frames, that will be identifying a change in trend right here. Yesterday I have discussed go euro US dollar. Make sure to check out that video as well, because I have discussed a lot of new concept in that video, and charts on the H4 and the H4 of pound dollar, H4 of euro US dollar, both seems to be the same. So I discussed that, and if you are interested into the H4, definitely you can refer to my euro US dollar video and understand what I discussed there. On the pound CHF, let's wait for the chart to load. Right here, pound CHF right here, if we see, is clearly ranging in between these two zones right here. And this zone and this consolidation zone seems to be broken to the bottom side. But since pound is overall getting weaker against the dollar, and that's what the expectation is, so this is going into a very nice consolidation zone right here. And most traders definitely will be trying to take buy trades. But yes, if you traded this all the way from right here and from there, then you can afford to take this as a buy right here. A very nice buy trade it will be from the support. And if I particularly see right here, 1.0986 is the level. It will be trying to come back down to. On the daily time frame, there is since it was ranging, and whenever the markets are ranging, we get to see very few Fibonacci levels. But right here we have a very nice consolidation zone, and if this consolidation zone is broken to the top side, it may find 61.8% retracement right here of this impulsive wave, and the setup will be completed in this manner. So pound CHF is also very nice to look and to be on the radar in the upcoming week, because this is going to be very nice trade opportunity on the break out of this. Remember, I will be looking for a breakout of 1.09861. if it gives me that, and a retest, that will be even further a nice trade opportunity. A buy opportunity, I'm not looking for a buy opportunity at this particular place. This is not a buy zone for me, so I will be looking for an ideal sell trade near 1.13092. I hope it will help you and it will give you an idea. Now move on to the pound yen. Most of the traders asked me and gave me their comments to include this in my analysis. So yes, here we go. Since it has clearly broken its impulsive wave, things are now going to be on the monthly time frame right here. And on the monthly, pound against the yen is clearly going back up. But there, if we see pound against like dollar against the dollar yen, if we see, that's going up. So yen is getting some strength, and I'm not sure why this is going back up, but it will be further confirmed in the upcoming week what it's giving us further. On the daily time frame right here, we have an impulsive wave, and definitely that impulsive wave, on even on the H4 we have a very nice impulsive wave. Even a correction, we have got a very nice bottom right here. And just like in my previous videos, what I say is that market has to reach 184, and it did all-time high. Now I see a little bit of pullback maybe, and a pullback, and towards around 181.600, 61.8% retracement of this impulsive wave. A to B and C to D will be somewhere else, which definitely I will be discussing in the upcoming videos. Pound AUD, if we see pound AUD, Aussie dollar, right here same is the situation, but on the H1 a very nice and beautiful trade opportunity is there for the day traders. And I can see that this is going to be the target 138.2% retracement, and this is going to be target 2. This is target 1, 38.2% retracement, target 2, 61.8% retracement right here. And from right here the market is going to go back up. How much it will go back up, I will be discussing that in the upcoming videos. But for now, let's just focus on the higher time frames a little bit, since this is a weekly forex forecast and we have to see the higher time frame as well. So right here on the weekly time frame, it is clearly going bullish, and even we have got a very nice Fibonacci break out zone right here. So this is going to be a very nice support zone for me, and any trade opportunities I'm going to find out on the daily and the H4 will be on the basis of this. So right here, if you see, we have a very nice ABCD pattern completion that is going to be completed exactly near 1.97524 right here on the weekly. It will be this resistance, so a very nice sell trade can be planned from there, and I can clearly see that the market will be dropping from there all the way towards 61.8% retracement right here. So a very nice opportunity towards 1.81770, and if we get a break above this zone, then the stops will be right here and the TP will be right here, a long-term trade opportunity. And on the H4, if we see on the H4, definitely we have got a double top up there, and market should be retracing a little bit, but still I'm not interested in a sell trade because we are on C2 leg of the move on the daily time frame. So any pullback and I'm going to enter long into the market definitely is going towards 1.9149, and around it has to drop 400 pips. So definitely I will be trying to catch this buy trade all the way from right here. There will be certain ways to trade it, maybe a break below this, maybe a break below this, but to the sell side I'm just interested from right up there 1.97524. remember this number and you will be making good profits. Now let's have a look at the pound CAD right here, and let me see the daily time frame of it and the weekly of it, since I will be following these pairs on the regular basis. Regularly I will be following them. So right here on the weekly time frame, same is the situation on the pound CAD as well, just like I have seen on the pound dollar. And we have got a very nice pullback to the top, then a pullback, and then a Fibonacci zone was also broken right here. If you see right like this, definitely 61.8% retracement is right here. So any pullback and I'm going to enter long into the market. So if this pullback is going to occur or not, let's find out from where the market reversed. The market reversed from 1.7306, somewhere closer to that zone. So definitely I will be looking for sell opportunities because I have to set a very less stop loss in this case. Well, on the H4, definitely right here, this is now clearly the story started from a double top and a drop, and is now also showing some sell opportunities. So definitely it's going back down to reset the cycle near 370 pips right here, and a price zone of 1.67030. remember, this story started on this double bottom and this story ended on this double top. Usually these type of trade opportunities are found on these minor currency pairs right here. If I show you, this is going to be a 61.8% retracement, and usually I tell you that 61.8% retracement will always be working. So this is the current setup that is active in the pound CAD, and that is clearly pointing down towards 1.69642. a very nice opportunity still, even in the upcoming weekend, that's going to pay off very well. So this was the analysis. I hope you guys will take enough benefit from it, and you will share it with your friends as well. Thank you so much everyone. Give me your feedback at the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.